Hey guys, and this is taping from Cholo. Our Pine Top. We have a big snowstorm. They're building a house right over there. It starts snowing around 4 a.m. Whoa! Look at that big gust. I'm taking a video of this snowstorm. Okay, now it's really coming down. See a little bit of clearance up there. So guys, I'm gonna post this on YouTube and bye.